Stop scrolling. Your brain is about to rewire itself. What I'm about to reveal will separate you from 97% of humanity forever. I analyzed 1,000 billionaires, every single one, from Jeff Bezos to Warren Buffett to Elon Musk, and discovered a pattern so powerful, so counterintuitive, that once you see it, you can never unsee it. While everyone else chases money, billionaires discovered something else entirely. Something that makes millionaires look like they're playing checkers, while billionaires are playing 4D chess. You've been lied to about success. Here's what nobody tells you. The difference between a millionaire and a billionaire isn't just 3 more zeros. It's a complete rewiring of how they think about reality itself. You and I share the same struggle. We've been conditioned to believe that working harder equals more money. But I stumbled onto research that shattered everything I thought I knew about wealth creation. The discovery that changed everything. After studying 2,640 billionaires across every industry, continent, and background, one pattern emerged that made my jaw drop. But before I reveal the method that separates the ultra-wealthy from everyone else, you need to know why 95% of people will never access this level of thinking. The billionaire brain operates differently. While millionaires focus on making money, billionaires focus on something completely different. They focus on owning pieces of systems that generate wealth automatically. Here's the shocking truth. Billionaires don't think in years, they think in decades. When you interviewed 1,000+ of them, this pattern becomes crystal clear. While you're planning your next vacation, they're planning their great-great-grandchildren's inheritance. Look at your screen right now and absorb this. 45% of billionaires possess cognitive abilities in the top 1% of humanity. But here's what's even more mind-blowing. It's not their intelligence that makes them billionaires. It's how they use that intelligence. The secret pattern revealed. Every billionaire I studied follows what I call the compound obsession framework. Phase 1, the obsession selection. Smart people like you immediately recognize this. Billionaires don't diversify their focus. They become obsessively focused on one thing until it reaches critical mass. Elon Musk with electric vehicles, Jeff Bezos with customer obsession, Bill Gates with software ubiquity. Phase 2, the system multiplication. Here's where it gets powerful. Once they master their obsession, they don't just scale it. They create systems that work without them. They build what I call wealth-generating machines that operate 24/7, even while they sleep. Phase 3, the network leverage. This is the part that will rewrite your reality. Billionaires don't network randomly. They engineer their social circles with surgical precision. They surround themselves with people who challenge their thinking and help execute their bold visions. You're already ahead of 90% just by knowing this, but here's where most people fail. The psychology shift that changes everything. Millionaires measure success in dollars. Billionaires measure success in impact on humanity. This isn't just feel-good philosophy. This psychological shift unlocks resources and opportunities that money-focused thinking never can. When you study their decision-making patterns, you discover something incredible. Billionaires make decisions based on gut feelings 70% of the time, not detailed analysis. They've trained their intuition to recognize patterns others miss entirely. That's powerful, but what I'm about to show you will completely transform your relationship with wealth. Here's the counterintuitive wealth formula. Here's what shattered my assumptions. The wealthiest people enjoy making money more than spending it. While millionaires buy luxury items, billionaires buy assets that generate more wealth. Research from UBS revealed that billionaires allocate their wealth completely differently than everyone else. Only 20 to 30% in stock markets, while regular people put 80% plus. 20 to 30% in private equity opportunities. 43% increasing real estate exposure. 40% increasing gold and precious metals. They're playing an entirely different game. The mindset rewiring process. When I analyzed their thought patterns, I found 7 core beliefs that separate billionaires from everyone else. Belief number 1, everything is figure-outable. They don't get stuck in, I don't know how. Their brain automatically says, this is figure-outable. Let's find a way. Belief number 2, failure is data, not defeat. They fail faster and learn smarter. Every setback becomes feedback that accelerates their next breakthrough. Belief number 3, time is the ultimate currency. They're obsessed with leverage, using people, systems, and technology to multiply their impact without multiplying their time. Smart people like you immediately recognize this. These aren't just success tips. These are fundamental rewiring instructions for your operating system. The hidden advantage that changes everything. But here's the game changer most people never discover. Billionaires design their environment for success. They eliminate distractions, curate their inputs, and ensure their daily environment supports their biggest vision. Your environment is programming your subconscious 24/7. If this single concept clicks for you, comment environment below. I read every single one. And seeing your commitment amplifies the entire community's energy. If this single video rewired your thinking about wealth, imagine what weekly breakthroughs will do to your life. Subscribe if you're ready for that level of transformation. But there's one critical mistake that destroys everything, and 9 out of 10 ambitious people make it without realizing it. I reveal exactly what it is and how to avoid it in the video appearing on your screen right now. Your billionaire mindset upgrade starts the moment you click. The question isn't whether you have what it takes, it's whether you'll recognize and seize your unique opportunity structure. Your greatest advantage might be hiding in what you see currently as a disadvantage. Welcome to the 3% who actually implement. Your future self is watching.